In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing website without any coding or design knowledge. Now imagine that Google wants to sell its products to aliens. For this, they asked us to create a promotional website. Let's try to build it using only AI tools like Gemini VEO, ChatGPT, and V0 without any coding or design skills. This way we can test what today's AI tools are capable of in such extreme scenarios. First of all, if Google is going to sell its products to aliens, it will need a new logo. For this, I will go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt. Then using this prompt with Google's latest image generation tool, Nano Banana, I will create a logo. Our logo is now ready to download. Now we need a video for product promotions on this website. We will create this video with VO3. For the prompt, I am turning back to ChatGPT again. Here, I will ask ChatGPT for a prompt, then copy it into the VO3 tool. Our video is now ready to use. Now, to prepare our website, we open the V0 tool, which creates websites from prompts. This tool is truly much better than other AI website builders. Once again, I will ask ChatGPT for a prompt to use with this tool. We paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT into the V0 tool. The website is finished, but the text blends with the background and it's hard to read. I will ask it to change this and create a more modern website. In this way, you can make change with prompts. As you can see, it's changed everything just the way I wanted and also made the site more modern. It even added a really nice detail. The stars in the background react to my mouse movement. Now, with a new prompt, I will ask it to use the logo we created earlier with Nano Banana at the beginning of the video. This way you can also include visuals in your prompts. It also added the logo to the website just the way we wanted. Now I will also ask it to add the video we created with VO3. I want this video to play when the begin exploration button is clicked. It now displays the video just the way we wanted. If you want, you can publish your website from the publish button here. As you can see, our website is now published and you can create your own website this way. As you have seen, even someone with no coding or design knowledge can build a website like this. Of course, it's not perfect, and as things get more complex, there will be errors, but this shows us something very important. If you can already do this with AI today, you will be able to do much more in the future. That's why I want to especially address the younger viewers. knowledge will no longer mean much if you don't dive deep into a subject and explore areas that require creativity and security beyond AI's reach. The future may look very dark. If you enjoyed the video, I would be really happy if you hit the like button. And if you are interested in more video like this, feel free to subscribe.